In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Airtable. Deleting information from a database can feel a little intimidating, especially if you're worried about removing the wrong thing. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you slowly through each step, explain what's happening on screen, and share a few tips to help you stay organized and avoid mistakes. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is the main home screen where all of your workspaces and bases are displayed. Take a moment to find the base or app that contains the record you want to delete. The icons and names here usually reflect projects, teams, or specific workflows. So choose the one that makes sense for the data you're working with. Next, click on that app to open it. Inside, you'll see one or more tables, similar to spreadsheets, with rows and columns. Each row represents a single record. That might be a task, a contact, an inventory item, or any other kind of entry your base is storing. Locate the record you want to remove by scrolling through the list or using filters and views if you've set those up. Once you've found the record you'd like to delete, move your cursor over the row for that record. Now, right-click on the record. On most computers, that means clicking with the right mouse button or using a two-finger click on a trackpad. When you right-click, a small context menu will appear beside the record. This menu gives you quick actions related specifically to that row. Look through the options in this menu and find the one labeled Delete Record. Before you click, double-check that you've selected the correct row, especially if your table is busy or has many similar entries. It can help to quickly glance at one or two key fields, like a name or an ID, just to be sure. When you're confident you've got the right record, click Delete Record. Airtable may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it, depending on your settings. Remember that deleting a record removes it from that table, and it can affect linked records or views that rely on that data. After confirming, the record will disappear from the table, and you're done. That's all it takes to delete a record in Airtable.